You did it! You got the promotion, the big pay raise. The number in your bank account is about to get a lot bigger. So why is it that in 6 months, you might feel just as broke as you did before, or maybe even poorer? This isn't bad luck. It's a powerful psychological trap called lifestyle creep. And today, we're going to do a deep dive into how it works and how you can escape it forever. To understand this trap, you first need to know about a concept from psychology called the hedonic treadmill. It describes our natural human tendency to return to a stable level of happiness, regardless of major positive or negative life events. Think about it. You work hard to get something new, a luxury car, a bigger house, and for a short time, it brings you joy. But very quickly, you adapt. That new luxury becomes your new normal, and you're no happier than you were before. You're just on a more expensive treadmill, needing the next big thing to feel that same excitement again. Lifestyle creep is the fuel that keeps this treadmill spinning faster and faster. As your income goes up, so does your definition of a normal lifestyle. Your expenses rise to meet your new income, leaving you with the same amount of disposable cash as before, zero. Let's look at a tale of two raises. Imagine two friends, Alex and Ben. They both work at the same company, and both get a fantastic $1,000 per month raise. Alex is immediately excited. He feels he has earned a better lifestyle. He breaks his apartment lease to move into a fancier building with a pool, costing $500 more per month. He trades in his reliable old car for a new one, adding a $300 monthly payment. The last $200 is spent on new clothes and more expensive restaurants. In just 2 months, his entire raise is gone. His budget is just as tight as before, but now he's locked into much higher expenses. Now let's look at Ben. He's just as excited about the raise, and he celebrates by taking his family out for one nice dinner. But the next day, he sits down at his computer. He calculates that after taxes, his raise is about $750. He arranges for $600, of that about 80%, to be automatically transferred to his investment account every month. Ben's day-to-day lifestyle barely changes. He still drives his old car and lives in the same apartment. But behind the scenes, his wealth is now growing on autopilot. He is escaping the trap. So how can you be more like Ben? Here are 3 simple but powerful rules to beat lifestyle creep. Rule number 1 is the 90-day rule. When you get a raise or a bonus, do absolutely nothing for 3 months. Don't make any major financial changes. This cooling off period allows the initial excitement to fade, so you can make a logical plan for your new money instead of an emotional one. Rule number 2 is the 50-50th split. After your 90 days are up, a simple and effective strategy is to dedicate at least half of your new after-tax income directly to wealth building. This means aggressively paying off high-interest debt or increasing your investment contributions. You can then use the other half for a planned, conscious lifestyle upgrade. This way, you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor while still prioritizing your future. And rule number 3, the most critical step, is to automate your wealth. This is the secret to making it effortless. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings or investment account for the day after you get paid. By paying your future self first, you remove the temptation. You can't spend money you never even see in your main account. True wealth isn't built by earning more money. It's built in the gap between what you earn and what you spend. By controlling lifestyle creep, you widen that gap and put your money to work for you, not for the things you own. What's your best tip for avoiding this trap? Let me know your strategies in the comments below.